Kathy Hochul recently signed legislation that would help preserve New York's land and water.
And today, Erie News Now, New York Capitol correspondent Elise Klein breaks down this legislation and talks to the environmental expert about the impact.
New York State leaders set a goal to conserve 30% of the state's land and water by 2030. Governor Hochul signed legislation supportive of President Joe Biden's national conservation initiative, America the Beautiful. The new bill requires the Department of Environmental Conservation and the Office of Parks, Recreation, and Historic Preservation to develop strategies to achieve the legislation's goals. And some experts say this could make a significant impact.
It will allow New York to build on the conservation work that's occurred in our state already and allow lots of people to collaborate to make sure that we are working together to protect the things that we rely on for clean drinking water, for jobs, for fresh food for our communities in the future.
Ani Mahar says the legislation will help address climate change and the loss of biodiversity, which is the loss of different types of plants and animals. Ani Mahar adds the legislation goes beyond protecting our environment.
In New York State, when we protect clean water and clean air through conservation, we're protecting our public health. We rely on the water in our state, whether it's our lakes and rivers or whether it's groundwater.
Ani Mahar says the conservation initiative could also help New York's economy. She says there are a large number of jobs created through the conservation of natural resources. In Albany, Elise Klein, Erie News Now.